can't take being in the space pod for 36 hours. How long has it been so far? 9 minutes. And keep it down. Remember, we're being monitored.
No, just video. They can see us. They can't hear us.
Hey, why don't you help me write the web show we're gonna have to do in here? Because that requires effort. So does mining. Ugh. I just don't get the point of this test.
I'm reading about it now. They want to see if we develop claustrophobic astropsychosis.
Don't you just want to punch him so bad? No? What's claustrophobic astros... what you said?
It's space madness.
Dun, dun, dun!
It's happened to some astronauts. When you're stuck in a pod like this and you can't get out, some people just lose it and go nuts.
I wish I had some nuts.
Yep. Here you go.
Not dehydrated powdered nuts.
Oh, dude, give me the nuts.
No, I want the nuts.
You're gonna slap me with the nuts. I
like macadamia. We have to prove we can all be in here together and get along, or we won't get to go up into space.
But she slapped me with powdered nuts.